welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day. We get to test out this beautiful palette right here. Anyway, this is the Beauty Bay Bright Matte Palette. I have been waiting about a week for her to get here. Now I'm just going to read a little bit about it first. It says, "This is the ultimate collection of matte rainbow hued eyeshadows. This 42 shade palette contains everything you need to experiment with the color spectrum, combining pinks, blues, greens, yellows, and purples for brilliantly bold, bright results. With so many color options literally at your fingertips, the EYN 42 color bright matte palette allows you to create and play with an infinite number of multi-dimensional looks. Every shade has intense pigment payoff. The smooth buttery mattes with intense pigmentation glide on and stay on, blending seamlessly for color that lasts." We're definitely putting that to the test today. It's saying that it is cruelty-free and it's vegan. Mind you, this palette was only $20, and I see so many palettes that are like 12 shades for $27, and it's like all boring ass dusty chalky shades, and I'm like, so this is what the cover looks like. So this is her in her full glory. I don't even know what to say. Like, I'm obsessed with this palette. It's got every shade of purple you would need, every shade of blue. We've got greens, yellows, orange, pinks, and then we've even got neutrals up here. We've got a gray, which I am so excited about because I don't have a gray eyeshadow. I feel like this just kind of spoke to me on another level. It was like, hi, buy me, you need me. And I really did, because I don't have all of these shades, and I know all my palettes are sitting over there looking at me like, bitch. Now I'm gonna do some swatches of everything. So the first one I'm gonna swatch are the neutrals. We have White Lies. Then we have Nothing Else. This one's gonna be hard to see because it's really close to my skin tone. Then we have Bare Necessities. That's really pretty. Then we have Preppy Pecan. We have Drizzle, Threat, Illicit. Oh my gosh. Sweet Tooth. Oof. Tutu. Strawberry Bonbon. Tutti Frutti. And Cosmopolitan. Ooh. Make Them Wink. I have Dragon Fruit. Then I have Just Peachy. Then I have Tangerine Dream. And Koi. Heatwave. Poppin' Poppy. Hot Stuff. And Head Over Heels. I have Custard Cream. That's another really light one. Daffodil Delight. Hello Sunshine. Then we have Slice of Lime. And then we have Granny Smith. Oasis. Labyrinth. Ooh. Daydream. This is probably one of my favorite shades in the palette. Sea Mist. Paradise. Ooh. Pacific Dreams. We have Bobbing Along. We have Bleu. It's like the French word for blue. Then we have Stormy Night. And then we have Livin' for Lavender. So now we have Sugar Plum. Ooh, Wisteria. Ooh, we have Purple Power. Ooh, Modern Way. We have Grape Escape. Oh my. Now, last swatch. This is the shade Drama Queen. Now we're gonna put on a little shape tape. This is the color Grape Escape. Then we're gonna dip into Purple Power, and this shade is got some pigment, honey.
we're just going to go back in and darken everything up again with Grape Escape. Now I'm going to take some ColourPop No Filter Concealer and we're going to cut the crease. Now I'm going to take the shade Drizzle and we're going to pack that all over the eye. And then back in with Grape Escape, we're blending those edges. This look is all about just layering and really making sure that everything pops. Now I'm going to take some Stila eyeshadow in the shade Freedom. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the white shade and pack that in. And I'm going to take this Wet n Wild highlighter and I'm going to pop that on the inner corner. Now I'm just going to clean this edge up. Now we can get into the face. I'm going to take my Farsali Power Duo and I'm going to take some Skin Tune. Now I'm going to mix my Becca and my Too Faced foundations and we're just going to paint this onto the skin. Now I'm going to contour with my ABH foundation stick in Chestnut. Now we're going to conceal with some ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Now I'm going to set everything really lightly with my Maybelline Superstay Powder. Now I'm going to take my Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. I'm really going to snatch these cheeks. Now I'm going to take my Pink Passion Blush Trio from ABH. Now I'm going to give my face a light spritz with my Mario Badescu Mist. We're going to pack some O for a Star Island on. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to start with this shade right here. Now I'm going to buff that out with the shade Daydream. Now I'm going to pop on a little mascara from ColourPop. This is the blue one. Now I did my brows off camera with the ABH Brow Wiz and the Dip Brow Gel. I did a little ABH matte lip combo, the honey and the stripped, and I popped on a little Lily Lash, and this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to leave me a little comment or something, and I will see you on the next one.